Now here they tell no to find AD, right? In this question they tell what the EB equal. If EB equal 3 centimeter, find the length of AD, right? That's the idea here, right? Now this is a triangle and you know how to find area of the triangle, right? Base into perpendicular height. You need to know that. You can choose either side. Normally some are think this side is the base. No, you can think even this side has base or even this side or this side, right? Basically here idea what the side you have and what are the information you have. This side length you have and perpendicular length also you have. Then you can use that as base and height. Or if you have this side length and this side, this is the perpendicular height from this base to this vertex. So that's why if you have this two length, you can find the area with that. That's the thing here you need to understand. That's the point here they make this question. Okay, now they tell what the if what the EB equal 3 centimeter, find the length of AD, right? Now EB 3 centimeter, no, that means this length we have, right? If I mark that, now EB, that means this length you have, all right? That means this length you can think has 3 centimeter, right? That's the idea, no? Okay, I draw it roughly 3 centimeter. So that's why now you can write area of this triangle, right? Area of, right? I will write A equal half base into height, right? Base is 8, height mean here 3 centimeter, right? Using this we can find the area of this triangle, right? Let's say find, cut here will be 4 into 3 12. So here 12, this area of this triangle is 12 square centimeter, but they not ask the area, they ask AD length, right? This length. So now we need to find AD, no, but we can use this thing. But now we know this triangle area. So if we use this as base and this is the perpendicular height, you must get the same answer, right? But we have no AD, we need to find it. They asked to find that. So still, if you know this AD, right, think you know, then this is the base, this is the perpendicular height. If you multiply half into base into height like that way, you will get the same answer. So that's why I will use that again with this side. Now this side I will think has base. So again area of the same triangle, base half into base. Base, let's we think has 6 now, right? 6 into AD, right? AD, right? You will have same answer now. Now already we know A, area we know now, so that's why we can replace A with that answer. That means here 12 equal A equal 12, here also A, same triangle, no, not the different triangle, same triangle. So here area will not change, same. Either side you can use this side or this side or even this side, base doesn't matter, area will be same. So A equal 12, here half, and here 6, here AD. Now you can cut this. How many 2 are there into 1? How many 2 are there in 6? It's 3. So here you have 12, 3 AD, right? Now get to AD, both side, divide by 3. So here AD will be equal to what the 12 divided by 3 mean 4, right? That means 4 centimeter. But the AD equal, you can write, okay, I will write here AD equal 4 centimeter. That's the answer for AD. Try to understand, because we use like this way, area, same triangle, area will be same with what whatever side you use as base, doesn't matter.